So hi, I have noticed that there are problems on your face right now. That it's not about the appearance actually; it's about the emotions. By the way, once again, I'm your face artist. I know it's a bit too late in the evening, but I've noticed about how your face looks right now. It's just, if you want, I will be explaining it. It's not about the appearance, but the way. Can I? Yeah, I'll start this. Yeah, I'm not gonna sketch your face on your face right now, but I'll be fixing this one. It's all about the emotion. It's the emotion on your face. Like, yeah, it seems different. You're you're sad. Yeah, or maybe you have negative thoughts. It's not about sadness all the time, but maybe it's just you're mad or you're just frustrated over something out of nowhere or whatever it is. Now, what we're gonna do is we'll be erasing and redrawing new emotion on your face. Let's proceed to this thing. Let's start. Now, what we're gonna do is we'll be mopping all the let's. This is a charcoal pencil. We'll be mopping first the stuff, the parts, the portions, the little details that makes it negative or undesirable. The emotional structure on your face. Yeah, the emotional structure on your face. If you're asking about what I'm saying, don't ask it. I don't really know what I'm talking about. What? No, I said I'll be proceeding with the mopping. Yeah. First is this one. Yeah. We'll be mopping, face mopping your face. In order to separate what portions are to be separate the portions that needs to be erased. Don't worry about the dogs barking. They're just hungry or something. it's not done because you don't have emotions on your face now, right? We've removed it. What we're about to do, guys, will be sketching onto your face, and then we'll be spreading the sketches. These are the parts where you erase the undesired portions that makes it seems like you're sad or have negative emotions onto your face, on your face. Now let's proceed. We'll start with the upper part of your eyebrows. Yeah. Yeah, the other one. The other side. Yeah, now you can feel different type of emotion getting into the hands. We're gonna raise we're not your eyebrows, we're gonna raise your eyebrows. We're gonna raise the how it is gonna be what it's going to be, how it's gonna be perceived by people. We're gonna raise these portions of your eyebrows. Yeah, how we're happy. Yeah. Explain everything now. How we are at the middle of your eyebrows. This one. Gonna remove the you have this kind of thing. Lines when you went here. You're like, yeah, you've asked for a face, negative face removal. And you're looking like this. Yeah. That's why I erased it already. So yeah. Now you only look like this. Just like that. Yeah. We're gonna remove that and make it natural. Where it doesn't have that loose stuff when you were happy, just raise our eyebrows really high. Sometimes frown our eyes. On your eyelids we also remove the kind of details that makes it seems that you're on a bad day or what. Now this one under your nose. Now we're done with this portion, which is your face. We'll be doing stuff on your sides, on the sides of your face, on the upper part and the sides of your face. Yeah. Now that we're done with that part, we'll be brushing. We're using two different brushes. This one is for the detailing part, and this one will be used for the spreading of these sketches. Yeah. And I'm smudge it a little bit. Smudge stuff. I look serious right now, but I'm not sad, you know. Being serious, you know. Negative. It means that I'm enjoying it. Changing people's lives and whatnot. After we're done with this one, we'll be using a larger brush in order to, balance all the scattered sketches into one. They would seem done with one stroke. I don't know the right word for that. You can comment. Yeah. Yeah. After we're done with this one, we'll be using this one. Yeah. Now that we're done with that part, we'll be brushing it with this one. Making it seems like it happened in a one stroke. You know, it needs to be unified to make it natural. It's not gonna fix your emotions, or it will happen to fix it. It could fix it, you know, but at least we're gonna fix the appearance on your face. I don't know if it would erase the negativity inside. brushings am I doing? It's more of a I'm detailing through these brushes on mostly all of the parts of your face. So it's either on your eyebrows, under the nose, or the mouth, your ears, forehead. So it's mostly an artist way of detailing and polishing all this stuff. Yeah, now we're done with the brushing part, and we already sketches on our face. We resketched the details from all those removed portions for your emotional improvement, for the improvement on your appearance, emotional appearance, whatever we want to call it. We'll be sketching. This will be the final sketches. So stay still for the last time. Yeah, I think we're done. It's just I don't know. I still don't know what they call this. Will be surfacing the sketches into one layer. Yeah, surfacing the sketches into one layer to make them look as if they're done with one stroke. And that's it. Oh, you felt a bit of positive thoughts. Maybe I think maybe it does help to fix your appearance, but the most effective way of fixing it is, you know, to choose to be positive and be happy. So this session, it's not just about fixing it, your emotional state. It's about telling you that it's your choice to, change your emotions. And if you want to be happy, happiness is it's not a consequence. It's a choice. It's a decision. So this session is not just about re-sketching your face, but I would say that it's reminding you that happiness a decision for you to, you know, to do, instead of thinking that there are stuff that could make me happy. No, you are the happiness. So yeah, until next time, I might say we could call this, I could say that this is the specific content of this channel, this sketching on your face content, where it's all about sketching on your face. Yeah, it's all about sketching on your face with a twist of making different way of it, you know, with a twist or storyline or role play. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you enjoy this content.